Ube. Kasi happy. Happy na yung tintaho. So okay, wala na akong pera eh. Pautang na lang. Best time. Best time ever happened. Hello, hi sa media. Sino ba yung supporters dito? Parang wala.
Lahat yan, Sir Dima. 1, 2, 3, go! They're all supporters, I think we can say.
Good afternoon, and we're all here for the whole story. Number one, gusto kong pasalamat for having me as your ambassador. At congratulations din sa inyong 150 branches. At many more to come. So, ayan, I feel like this afternoon is not for me, it's for the whole story talaga.
Right. Right. And can we give Mr. Licauco another round of applause? Alright, sir, thank you very much. You may have a seat. And of course, I'm sure many...
When I first heard about the inquiry,
right,
parang they wanted me to be their ambassador, first thing I did was to check their Instagram.
Right.
And then, pangalawa, nag-order ako sa Grab. In-order ko lang halos lahat ng flavors eh. Parang 4 flavors, yung ube, yung normal, yung original, avocado. Nakalimutan ko na, basta lahat in-order ko eh.
Yeah.
And then, pagka-try ko, wow, gulat akong sarap. Gulat sarap kasi parang, imagine mo, taho na may ice cream. Hindi siya usual, it's unique. Diba? And then, ayun, I had the meeting with them, nakita ko na sobrang passionate nila sa ginagawa nila. Like, imagine, like, nagsimula lang sila last year, and now, ang dami na nilang branches, you know? So just for me to gawing ambassador, maging part lang ng isang brand na sobrang laki ng potential, and plan din nila na mag-expand abroad, di ba? Sobrang big deal for me. Kaya maraming salamat, and I'm really grateful. At yun, gagalingan ko syempre, ang trabaho ko naman dito talaga is to, like help them promote, hopefully, I get to help them talaga. So,
right.
Yeah. And you know the whole story ba?
Oh, so sir, I'll ask you like multiple choice question, tas sagot lang ng mabilis.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Are you all ready for the rapid fire?
Yeah.
I think we can do better than that. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so Sir David, here's the rapid fire question for taho. How do you like your taho? Small, medium, large?
Large.
Large, alright. Sweet, less sweet, zero sugar.
Again?
Sweet, less sweet, or zero sugar?
Less sweet.
Less sweet, syempre, kailangan payat tayo, no? Alright, with toppings, no toppings?
With toppings.
With toppings, a preferred mode of payment, cash card or mobile payment?
Gcash.
Okay. Alright, can we give Sir David a big round of applause? Okay, so Maki...
I remember back in high school, grade school, paglabas ng school, may nagbebenta ng taho, yung sumisip ng taho. And then, hindi niya ako tinatanong kung gusto ko ng taho. Binibigay lang niya agad sa akin yung taho. So, okay, wala na akong pera eh. Pautang na lang. So, yun siguro yung taho story ko. And, milig din talaga ako sa taho, especially cold taho. Di ba ganun yung sa taho story? So, yun, and, ano pa ba? I love ube taho from Baguio. So, nakakatuwa na meron siya ng ube taho. Yun lang, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think that story, sir, is something we can all relate to, be it in school.
Dapat maggagawa ko ng halo-halo. However, wala kasing ice. So nakita ko, magkatabi kasi yung mga ice cream and then yung taho. So nilagyan ko muna ng taho, tapos nilagyan ko ng ice cream. So talagang talagang coincidence din, perfect timing na may
basketball.
Oo, magkaka-energy ako nito.
Yan, alright. Hindi lang energy, no? Baka magka-build-build tayo before basketball. So yun. Alright, wonderful.
marami akong ginagawa na halo-halo.
Yun na yun. Okay, thank you. Makabawi sa tanong na to eh.
Si Dustin.
Ah.
Si Dustin. Si Barbie.
Anong flavor kay Barbie? Anong flavor kay Dustin?
Si Dustin, siguro plain, original. Si Barbie, coffee. Meron? Coffee flavor.
Bakit?
Kasi mahilig si Barbie sa coffee.
Bakit plain kay Dustin?
Original?
Original.
Wala lang. Wala lang. Bagay sa personality niya na very straightforward, I would say. Si Derek naman siguro, yung walang asukal, taho lang. Dahil mahilig siya mag-workout, baka kasi tumaba siya kapag maraming ice cream yung ibigay ko sa kanya.
Okay. Thank you, David. Congratulations.
Ano yun niya?
Ano yun? Pakiulit.
Kung anong, i-compare yung puso mo ngayon, na nararamdaman mo ngayon, anong klaseng flavor or anong produkto ng Tao Story ang ano nito?
Describe.
Yeah.
Flavor, no? Flavor. Siguro, ube. Kasi happy.
Happy naman pala. Thank you. And also, I have a question for, of course.
Nasa point ka na ba na talagang tutok ka na din mismo in terms of how your career wanted to go forward? Or nandun pa rin yung, sige, I'll leave it with my managers and all. Pero ngayon ba, ikaw ba mas dapat super duper involved?
When I started out, yung showbiz, akala ko parang feeling ko, wala ka pang say sa mga ginagawa mo. But now, na at this point of my career, like everything that I do, dapat may intention, dapat intentional. So, parang lahat parang what I try to do is, naglalagay lang ako ng goal. For example, sa showbiz, to be like this. And then, ilalagay ko din kung how. And then, mag-brainstorm ako kung paano ko siya ma-reach yung goal na yun. Tapos then, kakausapin ko yung manager ko, si Miss Jan. And sabihin ko sa kanya na ito yung mga gusto kong ma-achieve. Ito yung gusto kong show. And then, tingnan nila kung kaya, di ba? So, yeah, to answer your question now, medyo mas involved talaga ako. And again, mas intentional. And at this point kasi parang mahal ko na yung ginagawa ko, yung showbiz. Hindi na siya gaya ng dati na alam mo, basketball lang nasa utak ko dati, di ba? So,
and yung second question ko is,
I feel like in first 2 years, since Maria Clara Nevara was super overwhelming. So, to the point na minsan ayoko na lumabas. But ngayon, I think I just try to take it day by day. It's as long as my system is intact as a person, I feel like I can do everything, di ba? Na parang just to try to stay in the moment. Kasi pag minsan, may mga thoughts, mga negative thoughts na papasok sa utak natin. So, tinatry ko lang na to really stay in the moment, and then yung morning routine ko always intact, workout, meditation and stuff. Pag nagawa ko yun, I feel like hindi ako nasi-stress. For example, sa ganitong interviews, before, kinakabahan ako. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Bakit? Kasi maayos yung sistema ko as a person, diba? And I feel like everybody can do that also. And, yeah.
And yung last na lang is,
Best time. Best time ever happened kasi.
actually, kailan masarap magtaho, di ba?
Siguro sa umaga. Umaga, oo.
Anong oras?
Mga 6:30.
Thank you. Ay, congrats, Dave.
Thank you, thank you.